Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil for a Toyota Yaris. First, ensure your vehicle is safely elevated on jack stands. Gather all necessary tools, including a wrench for the drain plug and an oil filter wrench. Briefly warm the engine. This helps the old oil drain more completely. Safety is paramount, so always wear appropriate protective gear. Once prepared, place your oil drain pan directly beneath the engine's oil pan. Locate the drain plug, typically a bolt on the lowest part of the oil pan. Using the correct size wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Allow all the old oil to drain fully into the pan. This step is crucial for a thorough oil change. After the oil has drained, remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench. Clean the filter's mounting surface thoroughly. Apply a thin film of new oil to the rubber gasket of your new filter before hand tightening it into place. Then, carefully pour the specified amount of new engine oil, usually around 3.9 quarts, into the engine's fill port. Once the new oil is in, replace the oil fill cap and securely tighten the drain plug. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes, then check for any leaks around the new filter and drain plug. Finally, turn off the engine, wait a moment, and check the oil level with the dipstick. Properly dispose of the old oil at a recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.